Here's how to get the good student discount with State Farm. First, you want to confirm that you meet all the criteria. Next, you want to gather your physical paperwork such as a certified copy of student's official academic transcript, a formal report card, a letter or certificate on official school letterhead confirming honor roll or dean's list selection. Now, you want to head over to statefarm.com on your web browser, then log into your account. Now, look for the assigned local agents card on the right-hand side. Copy their direct office email address. Here you want to draft an email referencing your auto policy number. State clearly that you would like to apply for the good student discount to driver on your policy. Now attach the official transcript or report card as a clear PDF or high-resolution image file. If you prefer manual delivery, you can walk a physical printout straight into your local neighborhood agent's brick-and-mortar office. The agent's team will process the document through State Farm's billing backend within 3 to 5 business days. Once approved, the system will apply 25% drop to that specific driver's portion of the premium, and your next monthly billing notice will reflect a prorated credit. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.